I'm going to show you how to edit your long form content into viral YouTube shorts or TikToks, Instagram Reels. This is how it's done by all of the most popular creators. This is how you make your short form content go viral. This is how to edit that Alex Hormozi style. So this is Opus clip at opus.pro is the website. And this is Alex Hormozi's right here. I'm going to drag this over and let's play the clip to show you what this AI tool can do.
The first thing is you want to make sure that the people actually want what you have. And the bigger the problem that you solve.
So do you see, I'm going to mute this here and let it play. So as he's talking, it's making the subtitles, it's adding emojis, it's highlighting certain words. This is all done with AI and it's all done automatically from your long form content. So when you see these shorts or these TikToks, this is how it's done, and it's done super quickly and it's done without any human intervention, and it's done with this tool. So I'm going to walk through the features quick before we go on to creating our own. First, we have this thing called AI curation, and what it's doing in the background is it's taking your video transcript and it's taking out the most relevant information and it's cutting that into its own short form video. They have this thing called the AI virality score, and when you upload a long form content, it's going to split it into multiple different short form videos, anywhere from 10 to 15, and it's going to give you a viral score right here. And in this example, this one has a viral score of 95, 92, 84, 65. So this one's probably not going to go viral. They have an AI co-pilot. If you're looking for a specific keyword that you want to cut out of the video, you type that in and it will find that keyword and will cut the minutes around it. Active speaker detection. You know, this software is best used for these type of podcast videos, and it can tell who is speaking during that part of the transcript and show that person's face front and center in the viral short. So this is an example of what the video looks like. Both people are in the frame. It can cut clips where it shows just this woman right here while she's talking, and then one portion where it splits them up into two frames. So that's pretty cool. It does that all automatically with AI. The AI keyword highlighter is taking the most important keywords and it highlights it in a different color. It's more captivating. It draws the user's eyes to that part of the text. Captions in short form content are a lot more engaging. And then the AI emoji generator, it will find some relevant emojis and it'll just throw them in there, also to increase engagement. I'm gonna go to the pricing page, and you got monthly and yearly plans here, and it's based on how much upload minutes you have for your long form content. They say here 200 upload minutes is about 80 HD clips, and depending on how much or how many short form contents you're uploading, it's going to be more expensive for you. They also got a yearly plan. They also have a free plan, and it says it has a watermark, but in my experience, there has been no watermark. We're going to upload a video now and see if it has a watermark, but this gives you 60 minutes of free upload minutes per month. So when you're ready, you can sign up for free. I'm going to sign into my account. So when you first sign in, you're sent to this page, and all you have to do is drop your YouTube URL link right here, or you can choose a file directly from your computer, and it tells you what it does best with. So it does best with video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, and motivational speeches. It doesn't do great with vlogs, gaming videos, and music videos. I think it does pretty good with gaming videos. Vlogs I haven't tried, and I haven't tried music videos. Music videos would not make sense. These are some of the ones that I had before, but let's grab a new one here to see how it works. So I'm going to go to YouTube, and I searched Robert Kiyosaki interview, and I scroll down, and I found this one. This is kind of like a podcast video. Let's test it out with this. I'm going to right click, and copy the link address, and I go back and I'm going to paste it in. So this is a new warning that says you can't cut clips that aren't yours. I'm not going to post this. I'm just doing this for an example, so it's not a big deal. That's fine. I approve. I'm going to get clips. Now, while we're waiting, it has to cut this up. It's giving us a wait time of 20 minutes. So I'm going to pause this video and we're going to resume when it's ready and we'll show you the output. Okay, the clips are ready. I just kept it on this page and it turned to this, but I also got a Gmail that said the clips are ready back in Opus Pro. So I'm going to zoom out here and I'm scrolling down. I'm seeing all the clips that it made with that long form video. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 20. So it made 20 clips from that one long form content. That's a lot. It's a lot of short form content to post on my channel or a TikTok or an Instagram reel. And I could keep you busy for a few days posting that stuff. So that's a pretty good output. Let's go to the top and we'll click the first one. And we go over here and click play.
She talked about how depressed he was and unhappy, whereas she was happy in New York.
Okay.
So a lot of that, so I'm here because of her, my Aunt Lydia. And so I've always wanted to see Romania because she said it was as beautiful as Paris, Bucharest.
So now you're mixing business with pleasure. You came to see the country, but you're also working.
Okay, pause that. That's pretty good. That might not be exactly what I'm looking for if my channel content is something about money. Here he's talking about his depression when he was in New York. Let's look at another one here, down here, click play.
The U.S. dollar is the reserve currency of the world. In 1971, the U.S. dollar became.
And I pause this here. So it's highlighting special words. You can see back up here. There's some portions of the clip where it shows the two people in opposite squares, exactly what it showed on the main screen. I do see they now have a watermark. They didn't have this before. So if I was going to post this on my channel, I would want to get the paid version. Let's continue to play.
In 1971, the U.S. dollar became debt. And until you get out of debt, they're telling you to get out of money. In 1970, I wouldn't go to school.
Kind of cut off 1970. So this clip might not work too. You can scroll down and hit the edit button. If I didn't like this one, I'd click the down thumbs. I'd say it cut off a word. Give it some feedback. It completely deletes that one from your feed. This one, hidden truth behind tax evasion's impacts on society. Let's say I watched this one, I liked it. All you have to do is click download, and it downloads right to your computer. Let's click play here.
That's an important question, because most Romanians and most people in the United States cheat on their taxes.
So you got your subtitles. It cuts the clip perfectly within certain portions of the conversation, and it gives you more content for your social media pages. So on the pro version, you can do two more things. You can edit the clip. You can make it longer or shorter, depending on the keywords you're targeting, or you can share it directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, IG Reels, or LinkedIn. So you don't even have to download it to your computer and then post manually. So it gives you a bunch of options. So this is exactly how the big content creators edit their short form content, their Instagram Reels, their shorts, like Alex Hormozi style. It's done automatically with AI using Opus Clip. In a future video, I'm going to show you how you could use this tool to create an online business, your own online short form editing agency. So stay tuned for that.